Good morning, Monday. I am watching my American series, Flipping Out. I always pull them up on my computer and then put them on my TV. It's super fun. And this one just reminds me of home, and I'm a little homesick because the weather's a little rainy. So I just decided to do my little American TV series called Flipping Out. It's super fun. And I made myself some overnight oats. So I have the morning to myself to do some editing, to do a little face mask. But happy Monday, new week, new vlog. When you see me, I will be much more showered, much more hair done, and ready for the day. Hi guys. Another Monday. Do you know we were here last Monday?
No, we weren't.
Yes, we were. It's on my vlog. And you came in with your puffy jacket. And with your moon boots.
That was not last week.
Yes, it was.
No.
Yes, it was. I'll show you.
Isn't that 2 weeks ago?
Neighbor. Another Monday. Another Joe in the Juice.
Oh my god, yeah, of
Work
course.
session. What are you doing, Vida?
Editing the vlog for tomorrow. And
check it out.
I was making a new playlist for tonight, but I'm debating. Either I do the new playlist or I stick to my favorite one.
Stick to your favorite one.
Yeah, but then like Norja
I'm just saying that because she's leaving, she wants to leave me to rehearse it, and I don't want her to leave me because I'm working and I don't want to work alone because I've got a little zombie next to me who doesn't pay attention to me and doesn't love me anymore. Her name is Eliza and she doesn't love me anymore. She never talks to me, she never says hi to me, and she never loves on me. Just kidding. So you're gonna do your old one, don't you?
Probably.
I've got 2 classes tonight, and one of which Nick is coming to, so that should be sort of like 8 o'clock. He's also driving, and we have a new car because we're waiting for our Audi to be delivered. So we have this huge Nissan, so my bike can fit in there, and we're just gonna drive home.
Qashqai?
Something huge. It's huge.
Qashqai.
Misschien.
I think the
Qashqai.
Which is amazing. It's a really good car. This one is good.
Yes. Hi, baby. Oh my god, you guys, I'm literally FaceTiming with my babies from New York. Hi. She says, hi from New York. What are you guys doing? They're literally meeting Vida for the first time. Look at that. Back at it, Cafe George with the one and the only. We are just working up a storm. We are working on, we're going to Utrecht tomorrow to meet all of our instructors that want to be instructors at our new location. So we're just here at Cafe George having a little food. I haven't ordered yet, but the food here is amazing, and the vibe here, what do you say the vibe is?
In George, in short, amazing.
Amazing, right?
Yeah, it's one of my
better
favorite.
Than Ted's?
I just don't know where.
Better than Ted's?
Better than Ted's. Hallo, it's not even
Hallo, Ted's.
No, this is the place. No.
Oh my god, Rowan, how addicted are we? What does that mean for American friends?
Oh, yeah, that means yummy.
Lekker.
That's so strange, actually. Lekker.
We are addicted.
What do? You do this?
No, we're just like,
Oh, the thumbs up. Thumbs up, baby.
We are addicted to these club sandwiches. Addicted.
Addicted.
Look at how delicious that looks. There is never a time where we don't get together and we don't get either donuts or cheesecake. Has there ever been a time?
Never. And we get together on a daily basis, just so you know. A few times a day. So.
Jongens, dit is een backstage tour about the new studio here in the pipe. Wow. Hello. Wow, this is where we're gonna stand. This studio has 2 steps. Oh heck. Wow, this is huge, bro. Rose cycles a pipe. Bro, that's far. Up in here on the douche, in the douche. These are the men's. The men's locker rooms, Hanya. Alright, you guys, welcome back to Cooking with Joey. On today's obsession with an air fryer, we are cooking up these gorgeous salmon steaks. Salmon, I mean salmon steaks in the air fryer. So, yours truly cooked some broccoli in the air fryer, nice and roasted, in less than 10 minutes. Lekker hoor. And we're gonna cook these in here, and I'm gonna let you know how they come out. And we're making some rice. So we've got salmon, broccoli, and rice for dinner. Alright, so I cooked the salmon and the broccoli. The salmon took about 6 minutes. The broccoli took like 10 minutes. No, that's mine. And it looks amazing. Oh my god, what do you think?
Love it.
Love it.
I'm proud that you are eating salmon.
You guys, I literally never wanted to eat fish at home because I was always so scared that it wasn't fresh. So this is the first time I've ever eaten fish at home, salmon, and it's to die for.
Show them that you're eating it.
Oh my god, it's literally falling apart. Yes, where are we going, cutie patootie? We are on our way to RTL what?
RTL Late Night.
RTL Late Night because my friend is gonna be talking on RTL Late Night. She is from New York, but she lives here, and she's gonna be discussing Michelle Obama's book.
And it's not like my sister because she thought you babysat Michelle Obama's children.
Oh my god, you guys, look how fun this is! RTL Late Night, and look at who's up on the screens, American friends. I couldn't bring my camera to film, so I just have to do it with my phone. But we are talking about the president. The president. How gorgeous. And this is where the presenter sits. And we are a little VIP, so we got to come early before everybody. Goedemorgen woensdag. Where are we, Rowan?
Utrecht.
I mean, but I'm so confused why it's all so helemaal gek. Everywhere gek. We just had our first meet and greet here for Rose Cycle, Utrecht. And it went so lekker.
Yeah, man.
We saw over 1,000 people. It was amazing.
It was bananas.
And now we're walking to the train.
And I took you on a little tourist.
Except we're literally not walking on human lanes. We're walking on car lanes. Because Rowan needs to go. But if anybody knows where to go on Utrecht, let us know. Because I don't know anything about this city. Do we like Utrecht, Ro?
Yeah, I love Utrecht.
Is it gorge?
Yeah.
Is it less touristy?
Yeah.
Mooi.
Because no one gives a fuck. Hi guys.
Are we doing it? Hey, Thursday. Guys, look who I'm here with, Malu. She was the very first person who said I should start a vlog, and I just said, and then I was like, nope. Nope.
So bad.
Oh my god.
What?
Where are we going, Malu? You look so good.
Burgers and roasters?
We are headed to Bakers and Roasters, which is like my new favorite little place here. It's a gorge. Lekker hoor. So we are at Bakers and Roasters, and I just saw this little thing. What do we think about it?
I don't know what I want.
What are you gonna get? You guys, I don't know if you know, but Miss Malu has this gorge business where she sells, what do you sell?
I sell sunglasses, because in winter you still need fucking sunglasses.
But not only sunglasses, what else do you sell?
Earrings, cashmere sweaters.
Guys, and if you're on a budget, you got this right now. I'm gonna ping right here the website and the Instagram, but just tell them.
What?
The company.
Bound 22 motherfuckers.
Bound 22. Google it, YouTube it. Well, yeah, of course. I'm not gonna beep you out. You gotta do it.
Good
Bound.
quality though.
Check it out. I love you. Alright, you guys. I'm here at the barber shop and I'm about to get a haircut. So take a quick look because it ain't gonna be like that no more once I'm done. That's Queen. Haircut later. Bada bing, bada boom. She is a new woman, honey. He did a great job again. It was the same guy that cut my, not last time, but the last time before. And what I like about him is that he like fades the sides really, really nice. So it's always like really, really detailed, and he always takes like triple the amount of time that anybody else takes. So I think he does like a perfect job with the haircut. So now that the 7 and 8 a.m. are done, and I had some brunch with my gorgeous friend Malu, and we talked about her new business with her sunglasses, and it was so cool to get to meet up with her again. Love you, Malu. She says she watches every single one of my vlogs, so let me see if she's watching this one. I'm headed back to Rose Cycle to do a little more trainings, and then I've got an early day today. Oh, Smeagweet, this weather. Yay, baby, I have 900 abonnees.
Yes.
Good morning, Friday. What time is it?
Like 7:45?
7:51.
7:51.
Yeah, you guys, I have 900 abonnees. Thank you wel. So hartelijk bedankt voor dit insane vrijdag present, cadeautje. Ik ben so blij. That's really happy. Mijn Nederlands is niet goed wanneer ik heb alleen woken up. Maar ik heb koffie nu. Maar dankjewel, hartelijk bedankt. Zo leuk dat je kijkt op mijn vlogs en dat je abonneert. Dankjewel. Wat dacht je over mijn Nederlands?
Wat?
Wat dacht je over mijn Nederlands?
Ja, Nederlands is echt fantastisch.
Ja, echt fantastisch. Oh my god, we are in the car. My bike is loaded up. I just finished my 3 morning PLTS classes and we are on our way to our financial advisor because we are starting to find a mortgage to be able to buy a house. So we have our meeting here in Amsterdam with our financial advisor. Hopefully it goes well. We're a little nervous just because I am an expat. So I do have only my verblijfsvergunning for 5 years and 4 years now. Dus ik ben een beetje nervous. Maar komt wel goed hoor. What is Nick doing? He is looking for the address. A mess and a half. You guys, oh my gosh. We just got back home from the financial advisors and we had such an amazing meeting about our finances and about our house. And I'm so excited because now we are green lit to basically look for an apartment. And so we are now shop-a-lopping. I'm so excited about it. Nick is beyond excited about it. We are going to be homeowners hopefully in like 3-4 months. And yes, it takes that long because of all the drama, the overbidding, all of Amsterdam trying to get the same apartment you won't. So we need to find a makelaar. If you are watching and you are a makelaar and you want to help, let me know. Because we are looking for a makelaar. We need one to help us out. But yeah, I am headed to Rose Cycle to do 2 more classes. And then I'm done. Dinner tonight for a friend's birthday party. Yeah. My schoonzus is here to visit us for the weekend, and she hasn't been here for a while because she is doing an internship. She is studying social work, so she's doing an internship in Tilburg as a social worker. So she's been super busy, but now she has a chance to come visit us. And because we got rid of our sleeping couch, we now have a little airbed.
Freaks.
What did she do, Modi?
What did she do? She said she can't help me.
And she hung up on you.
Yes.
Folks, this is Dutch service right here. Customer service.
Yeah.
Dutch customer service. At 2 AM, they want to pick a little girl by her own.
Walking around
In Amsterdam to another parking place.
But
But
very happy that the police from Zeeburger Island helped us to drive around.
he picks me up and put me in the police car.
And he was very helpful and waited until this worked and said, okay, I'll do it.
I was alone and
Kudos
sad walking
to
through the
Zeeburger Island police.
cold.
Hi, schoonzus.
They probably thought we were very big criminals.
I'm so happy you're my schoonzus.
You're happy that I'm here this weekend?
Yes.
Nee, maar dit ligt echt keihard.
It's really comfy.
Okay. I sleep everywhere
Maybe it's a little bit too hot.
on a hard ground.
Goedemorgen. Goedemorgen. Schoonzus, omdat wij houden jou en wij zijn zo trots op jij dat je jouw studie doet. No babe, do it nice, don't. We decided to get you a little cadeautje, so open it up.
What is it?
Do you know the mark, the brand?
Oh, mooi.
Good morning, Sunday. What is Joey doing in this freezing cold? I am out in our balcony because I am sick of looking at these dried ass plants. So today I'm gonna go and get us some nice winter plants. Final product without plants. So we are headed to IKEA to get some nice little Christmas winter plants so that it looks a little nicer out here in our little gezellig, niet gezellig balcony. Waarom niet gezellig? Omdat they are building a skate park and it is niet so cute in my opinion. But what do I know? I only pay a lot of rent for here, honey. Alright, so we just got back from IKEA and we did some HGTV things. We found these little lights in the copious hook and we installed them in our cast and under our sink, and they actually look so much prettier and more gezellig when you look at it. Yeah, well, they're not getting enough sun. So we have little Christmas bushes, which the bedoeling is that we are going to put little battery-powered electric lights for Christmas. So we just did our damn thing. But thank you guys so much for watching. And thank you so much for subscribing. If you haven't already, please give me a little like, a little comment. And as always, habanera, subscribe, habanero. And I will see you guys next time. Bye!